This is adding a key to a 2013 Nissan Altima SV. This one came with just one. So I think this is the one that works here. And this is the one that we're adding. Using the SKP-900 along with the Nissan pin code reader. The new Nissans have a 20-digit pin code that you have to get. So you just hit yes, and it will communicate with the car. Okay. We're going to enter yes into the immobilizer. Find Nissan. And then hit yes again. Go down to the Smart Key 2013 and above. And it does you'll hear the locks whenever it starts communicating with their car. And we're in the keyless system, so just hit yes again. Now we have to go down and read the BCM. I'm a rookie at this, so I really don't know exactly what all this stuff means, but all the directions and stuff that I found, none of them were in English, so that's why I'm doing this one. To read the BCM, this will read the code, but the actual 20-digit PIN code that you need will be read by this. So go down to read BCM and hit yes. Turn the ignition off and turn your the emergency hazards here. That keeps the car, keeps it active, and then just click yes to continue. And it just tells you that the code is changed after every read. Hit yes. Now that'll give you the BCM code on here, but this right here is what you need. And it takes about 45 to 50 seconds. It counts down. This here comes with the 100 tokens, the NSPC001 does, and it only takes a token from you if it reads a 20-digit PIN code. It reads the 4- and 5-digit PIN codes for free. Once you run out of the tokens, you can't reload them. This is pretty much throwaway. You have to get another one after that. There's the code. So that's the code I need. So I go back to this, hit no to go back, and then go up to the adapt keyless. Sorry, we need the adapt keyless down here because we have the PIN code. And then hit yes, turn the ignition off, turn the emergency switch on, all keyless will be deleted. Click yes. Now is where you enter the PIN code. And I got that from the NSPC001, like I was saying. Hang on. The D here. After you enter that PIN code, just hit yes. And then it'll just ask you to check the numbers and just hit yes again. Don't step on the brake. You have to take press start button until the ignition's on. Once you do that, we hit yes to continue, and then it starts the programming. Turn ignition off. Okay, now this got a little confusing when I first started reading it, but all you're basically doing is taking the Nissan logo here, and you're going to touch it against the stop button, and we're going to press it, and you'll see the immobilizer light blink 5 times. Once it does that, come down and hit yes again. The immobilizer light is off, and that's what it's asking me now. So I hit yes. Turn ignition off. Turn it back off. Right now it's programming the first key. Tap success. So now it's asking me, basically, this is where I'm going to add the other key. So I'll hit yes to continue. And here's the key number 2. Same way, I'm going to hold the Nissan logo. I'm going to press it against the start stop. There's the immobilizer light flashing. Okay, now it's done. Instrument lamp is so same thing. Yes. Turn the ignition off. And then hit yes again, and it's programming the second key. Now if you wanted to add another key, you just hit yes, but I'm finished, so hit no. Now you have to go back to the first key, touch the ignition switch, and the chimes will sound. That's right here with the Nissan logo. Touch on here. And then that sound that you heard, that registers your key. Then we just hit no to finish, and that's it. So now I'll test the keys. You can turn your lights off at this point. Unplug your SKP-900. Here's the first key. Key registration is complete. Okay, so this one starts it. Now, here's the other one. That's the new one. So now it's working. So first one, second one. So they both work now. I made this video because I was a little unclear on some things, but like I said, by no means am I an expert at all. This is actually one of the first couple cars that I've done, so anybody can do it. You just need the right equipment, and if you get with the guys at ECU Tool, talk to a guy named Norman through the email, he'll take care of you. Thanks.